Hey everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Facts 101. Today, we're on a mission to energize your mornings and power up your weight loss journey with some seriously delicious and healthy breakfast recipes. We're talking about 5 incredible breakfast ideas that are packed with nutrients, keep you feeling full and satisfied, and most importantly, taste absolutely amazing. So if you're ready to ditch those sugary cereals and embrace a healthier and tastier start to your day, stick around. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our healthy tips and recipes. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? But it's even more crucial when you're aiming for weight loss. A healthy and balanced breakfast does wonders for your body and mind. It kickstarts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. Think of it like this. You're breaking the overnight fasting period and providing your body with the energy it needs to function at its best. Plus, a nutritious breakfast helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning energy crashes and cravings that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. So, let's dive into some breakfast options that will have you feeling energized and ready to conquer the day. First up, we have a classic avocado toast with poached eggs. It's packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making it a perfect choice for a satisfying and weight loss-friendly breakfast. Let's start with the base, a slice of whole grain toast. We're all about that extra fiber. Now, for the star of the show, the avocado. Grab a ripe avocado, slice it in half, remove the pit, and scoop that creamy goodness onto your toast. Spread it evenly, creating a beautiful green canvas for the rest of the ingredients. Next, it's time to poach our eggs. Fill a saucepan with water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Crack your eggs into separate bowls, being careful not to break the yolks. Create a gentle swirl in the water with a spoon, then slowly slide your eggs into the swirling water. Let them poach for about 3 to 4 minutes for runny yolks, or longer if you prefer them set. While the eggs are poaching, let's add some extra flavor to our avocado toast. Sprinkle on some red pepper flakes for a touch of heat, a pinch of salt and black pepper for seasoning, and a drizzle of olive oil for richness. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, carefully lift them out of the water with a slotted spoon and place them gently on top of the avocado toast. And there you have it. Avocado toast with poached eggs, a breakfast masterpiece that's as delicious as it is healthy. Let's move on to a breakfast option that's all about layers of flavor and texture. Greek yogurt parfait. It's a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which are great for gut health. Start by grabbing your favorite glass or jar. We want to see those beautiful layers. Spoon in a generous serving of plain Greek yogurt. Remember, we're keeping it healthy, so opt for low-fat or fat-free options. Now let's add some crunch and sweetness with a layer of granola. You can use store-bought granola or make your own for a healthier option. Just be mindful of added sugars. Next up, a burst of freshness. Add a layer of your favorite berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or a mix of all 3. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them a perfect addition to our parfait. For an extra dose of healthy fats and flavor, sprinkle on a tablespoon of chopped nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, the choice is yours. And to top it all off, a drizzle of honey for sweetness. And there you have it, a Greek yogurt parfait. A symphony of textures and flavors that will keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. Chapter 4. Smoothie Bowl. A vibrant and refreshing start to your day. If you're short on time in the mornings, a smoothie bowl is the perfect solution. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra fruits and veggies. Start by adding a frozen banana to your blender. Frozen bananas give the smoothie bowl that irresistibly creamy texture. Next, add a handful of your favorite frozen fruits, berries, mango, pineapple, whatever you're craving. Now, for a boost of greens, toss in a handful of spinach or kale. Don't worry, you won't even taste it. To add some healthy fats and protein, add a tablespoon of nut butter. Almond butter, peanut butter, or cashew butter all work great. Finally, add a splash of your preferred liquid almond milk, coconut milk, or even just water will do. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a bowl and let's get creative with toppings. Add some sliced bananas, a sprinkle of granola, a handful of berries, a drizzle of honey, or even some chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra nutritional boost. And there you have it, a smoothie bowl, A vibrant and refreshing start to your day that will leave you feeling energized and ready to take on the world. Chapter 5. Oatmeal with fresh berries. A warm and comforting classic. Sometimes, you just crave a warm and comforting breakfast, and that's where oatmeal comes in. It's a great source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and it's incredibly versatile. Start by adding half a cup of rolled oats to a saucepan. Then add 1 cup of your preferred milk, almond milk, coconut milk, or even just water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the oatmeal has reached your desired consistency. While the oatmeal is cooking, let's prepare our toppings. Wash and slice a handful of your favorite fresh berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. The more colorful, the better. Once the oatmeal is cooked, pour it into a bowl and top it with those beautiful berries. For some added sweetness and healthy fats, drizzle on a teaspoon of honey and a sprinkle of chopped nuts. And there you have it, oatmeal with fresh berries. A warm and comforting classic that will nourish your body and soul. Chapter 6. Veggie Omelette, a protein-packed power breakfast. For our final breakfast recipe, we're going savory with a veggie omelette. It's a fantastic source of protein and vegetables, making it a perfect choice for a filling and nutritious breakfast. Start by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. While the pan is heating up, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them together with a fork until light and frothy. Season the eggs with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Pour the whisked eggs into the heated pan and let them cook undisturbed for about a minute, or until the edges start to set. While the eggs are cooking, let's prepare our veggie fillings. Chop up some of your favorite vegetables: spinach, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers. The possibilities are endless. Once the edges of the omelet are set, add your chopped vegetables to 1/2 of the omelet. Let them cook for another minute or two, or until the vegetables have softened slightly. Now, carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the veggie filling. Cook for another minute or two, or until the omelet is cooked through. Slide the omelet onto a plate and there you have it. A veggie omelet, a protein-packed power breakfast that will keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. And there you have it, 5 delicious and healthy breakfast recipes that are perfect for weight loss. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count with these nutritious and flavorful options. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and found some new breakfast inspiration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can start their day off right too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.